Las Vegas Power Washing, we specialize in power washing all forms of concrete and asphalt, wood and stone tiled surfaces. We are also experts at gum removal, which is one of the services that's highly utilized by property management companies here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you'd like a free estimate on all of your Las Vegas power washing needs, contact our office and one of our power washing experts will provide you with a free, no obligation bid, or if you prefer, a short consultation on the surfaces that your facility might require. Call our office at 702-546-9888 or visit our website at www.powerwashinglasvegas.net.